All right, YouTube, we are going to do a very quick video showing something I could not find online, and that is the Wilson Combat hammer. All right, that is it. Installed. This is a G model conversion done by me, but this is the Wilson Combat hammer. Let me see exactly what it's called for you. That's it. Wilson Combat Deluxe Hammer, Beretta 90 series. What's in there now is my, duck hammer, standard stock hammer. So anyone that works on guns knows switching the hammer on a 92 is about as easy as taking off the grips and pushing a pin. So, Wilson. Nice hammer. I mean, it doesn't make the gun feel any better. I'd say purely aesthetic. But I like it. Like to be different and not just skeletized. Skeletized gives it a little awkward hump here. This is a little bit pretty cool. Thanks for watching.